Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a video of me making a bird trap with these things. So what you need is a stick. You need is sticks and some bread on it like that. Well, for this case I'm using a biscuit piece of bread. So what you need is that. And then what you need is another stick that's able to go like this. And then you need like a box. So I'm just using this. So what you need to do is you need to take this and fold it up like, take the box, put it like that. It's kind of hard to hold the thing, so I'm going to figure out how to set you down. Man, sorry about that. Sorry about this, guys. Actually, so I'm just trying to do a quarantine. So what you need to do is you need to take the box. See, set this up like this. Stab it into the ground like that. Stab that into the ground. What you need to do is set that on there like that. But really, you need to take this little stick right here, lift it up, lift the box up. Sorry about that. Lift the box up. And take this and set it like that. Crap. Let's see if it works. Set it up, but this has to be like that, holding it up like that, so that when the bird comes, it lands on this and it pulls it up and it traps him like that. See? Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my videos. Comment down below how you think how the bird trap worked, and see you on the next video. Bye.